Good morning traders, and this is my Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we ended up with a pin bar on the daily. We're starting to pretty much rally quite hard, and then we sold off. So yeah, if you look at it in relation to the S&P, a little bit lagging behind the S&P. S&P was just short of an all-time high, and we basically tagged this level of resistance, which is 28,160, and reversed off it. We are now back to the previous breakout test, which is this breakout here, which is 27,638. Okay, so those are our two levels at the moment, and a pretty simple trading strategy on this at the moment. This area here of 27,638, I'm looking for bullish price action. The minute I see bullish price action on the hour here, I am in long, and my target is pretty much 28,160, second attempt at this level. What I will do though is use a trailing stop for that. So keep the stop trailing behind it, because if it does break through this area, then I want to be in with the break as well. If it doesn't break through it, come back and trigger the trailing stop, and then so be it. Trend is up pretty aggressively to the upside. We've come back to test a breakout, okay, which is fairly strong. There is another very strong area, get the right line, which is right over here. That's 27,185. So there is another area pretty much down here that would also offer some opportunities to buy into this. If we just look at the hour, we have a little bit of consolidation here. So there is a triangle forming, okay, and that's pretty much similar pattern to what's on the S&P. There's a triangle forming, but I just want to show you something else. So that's a triangle. If you try and take the break of this triangle, you've got this strong level here, right over here. So you could take the break, hit here, and then how often do you read about a fake out on a triangle? And basically what happens is it bounces back off here and bounces back up and stops you out. So you know, in a strong trend like this, when I see this kind of thing, I typically don't take it. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, the trend is very strong to the upside. This is a consolidation pattern. So what I would rather do is do this. Okay, it's a consolidation pattern. If it does break the downside, this is the area it's going to find support, possibly a little bit lower down as well. It could go as far as that there, which is 27,566, but then I would expect buyers to step in, okay, just because the trend is up. Okay, so there are breakouts that have happened higher up as well. So there's a breakout. I want to use another yellow line here. Let's just do that. So there's a breakout that's happened that hasn't been retested. So if we got back up there and started rolling there, and I'd look at opportunities for shorts. But if you look at the price action in here, inside bar, engulfing bar, inside bar. Okay, so that's not conducive for me anyway for looking for any shorts at the moment. This is just a nice healthy pullback. Happened to be in a 2-hour time frame. Doesn't really matter as far as I'm concerned. It pulled back. It is now consolidating. It could still squirt a little bit further down, which is fine. I'll look for opportunities there, or it could start breaking to the upside and I could see better price action here, in which case I am long. So I'm still looking for longs on this. It's either in this area here, 27,638 and 27,566. And whoever you were yesterday saying that you were trapped in a short, I'm hoping you were a troll, because if you were, that was really a silly move. But anyway, for me, looking for longs, looking for the structure. This is the structure we're looking for, and we'll just wait and see what transpires. Sit on hands until then, until we start seeing some breakouts. But I'm already seeing some structure forming here. All I need to do is get above it, pull back, and again come to the 15 minutes here. So there's a pretty good picture of what's going on. Okay, this fall was just noise. It was just noise around the stimulus package. It's just politicians playing their game. Okay, so you've got to ignore that. It does look crazy. It looks dangerous. It's a massive fall, but I think it's just a healthy correction. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.